Here we go, guys, another video for you. I had this vise at this corner here on my workbench for a good while, for a number of years. It looks pretty good because, I didn't do any hard work on it or anything. The anvil part here was all beat up, all burnt and stuff because I did, a lot of stuff on it. And I did take sandpaper, what was it, like a 220 sandpaper, and then it was a higher grit sandpaper, and I did a little polishing, so it's not bad. It's not bad right now. So I'm gonna replace this bench vise here, and I'll show you what I have. I just ordered it. It has arrived. I'll show you what I have. I'll be right back. Here it is, guys. That new bench vise I ordered from Amazon. It is from Capri Tools. And I'm just gonna unbox it and take it out, show it to you guys. One thing about this vise, I did my research. At first I bought two Yoast vices. I actually bought one. The first one was defective. The base at the bottom was not level. I returned it. I bought another one. Maybe I had a bad one, so I figured, let me get another one. Same thing. So I said, forget that. So I settled on this one after doing more research, and hopefully this one is going to be a good one. I am going to go ahead and unbox it and just lay it on the corner here and see what's, hopefully it's a good one. Look at that. A box in a box. Very interesting. Okay, here we go, guys. Got the box open. We have the warranty card. Alright, Capri Tools Limited Lifetime Warranty. Awesome. Some more information. Forged steel bench vise. Alright. We have the handle. There we go. Just gotta put this together. Okay, and let's see what's in here. Of course, it is the vise. Oh, what a beauty! Look at that! What a beauty! If you're a tool person like I am, you know what good tools are made of. So, I did get the Yoast, thinking that it was gonna be a good vise. I don't need a very heavy duty vise because it's just for home shop, So this device right there. Let me get some of this stuff out the way right here. Alright. So I can get the vise out. I got a mess on my workbench, guys. I apologize for that. Alright, so let's go ahead and take out this vise. Wow, this baby's heavy. Alright, here we go. There you go, guys. First time unboxing it. Wow. Look at this, guys. Oh yeah, there's oil on it. Oil on my fingers. Oil in the bag, oil on the vise. I'll wipe that down when I finish. Gotta put everything together. It looks like the base is nice and level. See, the Yoast vise, both of them that I ordered, I did return. When you push down, there was four four lockdowns. This one has 3, but the other ones that I did return, you push down in the front, you could hear it and see it rock back and forth. This one, it's not even moving. It's nice and flat. Look at that. Awesome, guys. Alrighty. Okay, so this vise is going to go right here. Let me close this down right here. And put this over here. Wow, it is heavy. I think this one is 23 pounds, which is not too bad. That one's gonna go right there. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to drill new holes. But before I do that, guys, I'm gonna show you what else I got. All right, here we go. So what you want to do is get yourself a metal plate like this one. Get yourself a metal plate just like that. Comes with its own like little fence to stop it right there. There you go. That one's gonna go on top. I have the other plate right here. Alright, if I can grip it. Give me a second. This is the other metal plate. A steel plate, nice and thick. This one's gonna go at the bottom, underneath. Just like that. Make the holes. Put the vise on top. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. I will give you information of where I got these metal plates. I got them on Amazon. I'll put on the screen what the item number is, or item and the name. Alright guys, so instead of me putting it in the description, well I guess I will, but here is the metal plates that you can order from Amazon. Monitor arm reinforcement plate, and these are used to hold the monitor arms, you know, for computers, the monitors. And you can use it for this too because they're pretty thick and they're strong. So go get one of these. It's from Huanuo monitor arm replacement or reinforcement plate, model HNDA1. And these will work pretty good, guys. This one goes underneath, this one goes on the top. And if you notice, there are two little holes, one right here, one on the other end right there. You can put a screw there, hold it in position. Then I'll go ahead and put the vise on top. Put the mark the holes where the holes are gonna go on the plate, metal plate, and just start drilling, guys, and then just install it. And I'll figure out what kind of fasteners I need because I do have extra fasteners. So there you go, guys. Be right back. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this vise right on top of that one. There you go. Right there, guys. Wow, look at that. Let me bring this up a little bit. Alright, so lock it in place. Okay. So I am going to have this vise hang over a little bit. Okay, so I am going to want this vise to hang over a little bit. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and get a piece of wood here. Lock it in place. There you go. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole here, here, and on the other side. I don't really care about, I know this is a 360 degree vise. It turns all the way around. I haven't tried out that feature yet. But I don't care. I don't really care if it doesn't hang on this side, on the right side. I never had to actually use that feature on my other vise. You know, doing some corner work on this end right here. I'm just gonna put it the same way. It does turn 360 degrees, so, and I'm fine. I think I like it right here in this spot, not at the corner. And plus, it's right in like dead center of the metal plate here. Now, if I put it at the corner, this vise is going to be more to the right, and then all this space on the left side. So I'm going to put it right about there, guys. So enjoy this installation right here. Just enjoy the video, guys. And this completes my vise installation. Not bad. Not bad at all. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.